I've got this setup down here where I do all my filming and I do my music stuff, but I've been wanting to have a setup where it was a little bit less congested and it had a little bit more of a calm vibe to it so that I could do my scripting, my writing, just wake up in the morning with a little bit of a brighter, sunshiny day and get going that way. Folks at Flexispot got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to take a look at one of their desks to have them sponsor a video, and I said yes, that would be great. I wanted something that wouldn't take up a ton of space but would have options for storage and for keeping things in front of me. I'm one of those people where if I don't have whatever it is that I need to have in front of me, whether it's get a prescription refilled or today's to-do list or anything, if it's not in front of me, then I don't see it and I don't remember. I think I found the thing. So I'm going to take you through getting it out of the box, putting it together, and then showing you how I got it all set up, what's on the desk, and how I use it. Links will be down in the description as well. But enjoy this video of me putting together this desk with a very special assistant, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas for a similar desk setup in your future. Assistant, are you ready? We got a Flexispot desk. All right, first job done. I'm an idiot. Instructions. Oh, these are we'll leave these for last because this is the desk tops. All right, take that part out. I'm gonna put that part back in. See how strong the desktop is. Think you can do it? This kind of sucks. No warning that I saw in the directions saying that you would destroy the top of your desk if you screwed the screws in.